Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm getting ready to start a new thing. So this video is things that you need to get your GoPro Hero 6 all prepared. And what kind of materials and what kind of equipment you should have. Because if you just have your GoPro, you will only have a GoPro, so you won't hold it around and stuff. So I will show you like around 7 things what you need for a GoPro to get started and start recording videos. See you guys right now when I start. Hey guys, so let's already just start this. I got the materials, equipment that you should need for a GoPro when you guys are just starting. So there's this, which you need to buy separately from the GoPro. You open, and inside I've got all my things that I need for my GoPro. Wait, wrong way around. You have to always make sure you open it with the GoPro sign in front, because then everything will just fall out weirdly and stuff. So first of all, the GoPro. Here is the GoPro Hero 6. This is how it looks like. It looks more or less the same as a GoPro Hero 5, but just more higher resolution and stuff. So on here, you can see that there is all these displays here. There is the battery, how much you have on your SIM card, or like how much you can record video. Yeah guys, here, as you can see, I was talking about a video here, and then when you slide there, like with your finger like that, it will show up what you've already recorded and stuff. Then there's the that is the signal icon. There, that means you have a signal and stuff. Then when you slide there, you can also go somewhere. Then to go to settings, you have to slide down from the top, and then you can see connections, preferences, all that. Then there's a tiny button here, right there, that if you press it, you change the modes. There. Then there is a format here. You can change it to super view, linear, not very good at pronouncing that, and wide. Then there's 180 resolution, which is really good. Then 60 frames per second, I can change that here and do it to 240 frames per second. Then that's pretty much all on the GoPro. That's how you switch it off. You keep on this button, the same button to do the modes. You press on that for a long time, then it makes the 3 beeps and then switches off. Next equipment I highly recommend for you guys is this. So it's like a floaty thing. It's a floaty keeper, so if you can bring it to the water. And I remember the GoPro is 10 meters deep water resistant, so you guys won't need a really big super case to keep it underwater. This, when you put it on, this goes in the water, so you can take it in the water, and if you drop it maybe while you're in the ocean or somewhere in the sea, and if you drop it, it will just float and it won't fall to the ground, and then you will lose your GoPro. Yeah, which is pretty good. And to attach it, you will need a screw, and you have to put this case on the GoPro, so then you can attach it. Next one is, I highly recommend, is a standard. You see, it doesn't look that much good, but then when you open it, it stands, and you can make it taller, and then you can record your videos without, like, in a high place. It's standing without you touching it and stuff like that. one more big thing I highly recommend is this thing. It doesn't look that much, but when you switch it on, you can record from far away, maybe a few meters away. So when you want to record from far and you want to, for example, put it on the stand here, and you want to record maybe over there, like for example, I'm here standing, and you could just click this button right here and it will switch the GoPro on and it will record. There's a few materials you use with this. There's this you can attach, or this, like a watch. Then that's pretty much all in here. So now let's close this and go to our next object that we should use, that you guys should use. Okay, wait a second guys, I just need to check something. Okay. Around 7 to 6 things I recommend you guys should use. Next, of course, you should always get a selfie stick. It is really high. You can put it up like this and it will record you. But also up here, you can turn which way you want to put it, which is pretty easy. And yeah, that's another thing that I recommend you guys should take. Then there's a headband. I will try actually put it on for you guys. Let me just find the right way to put it on. I kind of forgot how to put this thing on. There you go. So you turn it around, you put this on, and then when you get a screw to attach it here, it will be recording all of you from your head, which is pretty amazing. Next, I have the chesty. It goes around like this. Put it on with one arm, and you put on the other, put it together, you put this, attach it, and then from here it will screw again and it will be recording all your views around here. And that's all the object you would need to record with your GoPro camera. It could be also a GoPro Hero 5 if you want, but I recommend you guys should get a GoPro Hero 6. They are so amazing. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video.